Imagine a world where every idea, every question, and every ambition can become reality in moments. That world took a bold leap closer at Google I/O 2026. Google unveiled Gemini Omni, the most advanced AI model yet. It's more than just a tool. It's an engine for creation, enabling you to go from voice to video, text to 3D worlds, or sketch to full-blown movie, all with a single prompt. Creativity now has no bounds, because Omni doesn't just interpret, it understands and builds across every input. But Omni is just the first step. Enter Gemini 3.5 Flash, the inaugural model in Google's new family of agentic AIs. These aren't just intelligent assistants. They can anticipate, collaborate, and act on your behalf. From setting up projects to handling logistics, Flash is about getting things done at lightning speed. The real revolution? Google Antigravity, a groundbreaking platform where AI becomes more than a productivity booster. Now, AI can create, launch, and iterate products with you. Imagine building an app, designing a storefront, or launching a campaign, all with an agentic partner who executes, not just advises. Suddenly, everyone is a builder. Gemini agents now weave into daily life, answering questions in search, offering actionable insights in the Gemini app with Spark and Daily Brief, revolutionizing shopping through Universal Cart, and even guiding you through intelligent eyewear, launching this fall. Android Halo brings this agentic power to the palm of your hand, right on your status bar. Top it all off with new AI subscription tiers, including the Powerhouse $100 Ultra plan, and you have a glimpse into a future where technology doesn't just help, it transforms. The age of AI tools is over. Welcome to the era of true AI agents, where your ideas become action, and the world moves because you imagine it.